Forever seems like a long time. Seems like a long time.
Si Tommy. Abi, happy 8th anniversary. Inanda ko lahat ng to. Kasama yung family natin para maging happy ka tapos maging memorable tong araw na to para sa atin.
Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Sa 8 years natin pagsasama has been the best moment of my life. Thank you for always helping me to become a better person. Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices mo at patience mo para sa akin. Ikaw ang gusto ko makasama habang buhay. Tapos, madami pa akong gustong i-share na experience sa'yo kasama ka. Handa na ako sa next chapter ng buhay natin at magkaroon ng kapamilya. Abi, tatanong ko na sa'yo. Will you marry me?
Yes, of course! So, take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart, take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand again and again. Right where we stand.
Take my heart.
Nung una, akala ko lang talaga dinner. And ina-expect ko naman na usually talaga every anniversary namin, nagdi-dinner kami or umaalis. So, yun lang yung nasa isip ko. Upon entering, parang casual lang naman, wala naman masyadong ganap. So, hindi ko talaga in-expect at all. So, yung papunta, habang naglalakad na lang ako dito, yung sinabi ni ate na, kunin ko po yung bag nyo. Sabi ko, hala, bakit? Ano ba? Baka magbibigay ng flowers. So, yun lang yung in-expect ko until nakita ko sila. So, sobrang happy ako na andito silang lahat.
Too good to be true.
I wanna spend my life with you. I wanna spend my life with you. Too good to be true.
Thank you. Kasi hindi ko naman in-expect na ganitong klaseng surprise yung
Wala,
ibibigay
di mo
mo sa
talaga alam
akin.
to.
Wala akong idea. Sobrang na-appreciate ko to kasi kumbaga time and effort binuhos mo para magawa to.